Hey guys, fun surprising toys here. Today we have the beautiful Cleo the Nile giant surprise egg. She's from Monster High series. Give me thumbs up if you're ready and you like it. Check this out. The hair, the makeup, the jewelry, those thick, voluptuous lips. This is absolutely gorgeous. She's in the possession of dark brown hair with golden highlights. And those blue eyes with her black eyeliner. Absolutely beautiful. She's royalty all the way. Now let's start by removing this headband. Cleo the Nile is the daughter of the mummy and a student at Monster High. She's the queen bee at school and the most popular girl, as her status is undead Egyptian princess. Cleo is extremely royal. She expects everyone to treat her like it. Usually her attitude is selfish, spoiled, and arrogant. But deep down, Cleo's very caring, kind, and thoughtful. She cares about her friends. Remove some more of her hair. She has some special abilities. I wonder if you know what they are. She can scream very loud, like an operetta, because she has the ability acquired by the race mummy. Hey, what happened? I was rambling on and look what transformed here. Cleo looks like a typical teenager. Let's remove some of these accessories. Like her sister Nefera, she can charm snakes and charm scarab beetles. Wow, she has such amazing abilities that are pretty creepy. Oh my, the dress is coming off. Beautiful dress. As captain of the Fear Leading Squad, she's also quite close with her fellow Fear leaders, Frankie Stein, Draculaura, and Claudine Wolf, sometimes also with Laguna Blue. It's question time, my friends! Da-da-da-da! What is your favorite character in Monster High? I love to hear from all of you, so let me know in the comment section below. And look at this! While we were talking, my fingers were moving really fast. We're almost done with removing last layer. I'm super excited to be here with you. Let's crack the egg open. And whoo, looking beautiful as always. Elephant, give us something terrific today. Beautiful gem, magical gem. Do your magic. Boom! We have Cleo the Nile Goals Beast Pet Playset. Check her out. She definitely has the diva look. Look at her fierce eyes. Look how her body language is all about I'm the bomb. Well, she does look pretty good. Check out what she's wearing. Amazing. And we have our adorable kitten. So cute. He loves her. Give him some supper. And look at them. Aren't they lovely? Oh, and we have our older sister Nefera the Nile. What up, girl? You're looking stunning as always. Oh well, goodbye, girls. What else? We have Yummy World Keychain Surprise Toy. Yummy, I'm hungry. What could it be? Maybe some chocolate? I would love to have some chocolate right now. Oh, and it's a raspberry raisin. I guess it's a healthy snack. That's always good. You can take it with you anywhere you go. So cute. Bye. What else? We have My Little Pony Dog Tag Series 2 blind bag. Cut it open. Pull it out. And which one did we get? We have Coco Pommel, like Coco Chanel. Almost the same thing. Awesome. This too you can wear with you anywhere, anytime, wherever you go. And you'll look pretty awesome. She also comes with Octavia card and Discord sticker. What else? We have Disney Sofia, the first blind bag. Cut it open, pull it out. Oh my god, we actually got Princess Sofia. And check out our princess. She really looks like royalty. Look how sweet she is. She looks a bit shy. don't be shy. Cleo Denial isn't that mean. Goodbye. What else? We have, yes, finally, they're back to us. Shopkins Season 4. What did we go and buy? Da-da-da. And we have Miss Prezi. Does Miss Prezi have some chocolate in her? Probably not. Everyone's so healthy today. Awesome gift. Lovely wrapped. Love it. What else? We have... Awesome. We have a tiny tree. We can plant it in our garden. Trees are important, guys. Always take good care of the environment. It's what you'll be leaving to the next generation. Remember that. What else? We have Catty Noir Monster High Collection 2. Ooh, check this diva out. She's about to sing us a song. Look how beautiful she is. Very awesome. She's singing. Look at her dancing away, bobbing her head. Keep doing your thing, girl. Another elephant! Yes, I told you today was a lucky egg. Take it out. Hello, Gem. Give us something wonderful today, please. Boom! We have Cleo Denial and a Farrah Denial mini vinyl figure. It's sisters time. Check out the smaller versions of them. Look at those legs. Crazy. But they look pretty similar to the original characters. I would have to say they did a pretty good job here. Other than the fact that I have no idea how they're actually walking with so much hair, but you know, that's science. What else? We have Tokidoki Memicorno blind box. So many blind boxes. Awesome! We of course Sika. Look at this. I love it. The combination of a mermaid and a unicorn, and the color of his skin and hair. He's gorgeous. Don't fall. Keep swimming. Bye, my friend. And we have Finding Dory Mystery Minis blind box. Who did we get today? Cut it open. Pull it out. Pearl, which is also pretty awesome. So hey, it is a lucky day. Hey Pearl, you're so cute. Look at that half smile. You look like you know something we don't know. Did you find Dory's family? Hi. We have Barbie Mystery Minis vinyl figure. Is it sporty Barbie? Is it Barbie from the 60s? Cut it open. Pull it out. It's Barbie Malibu 1971 style. Check her out. It's all about the beach. Sun, sun, sun. Just relaxing on the beach in California. Yeah. Awesome. Wear sunscreen, don't forget. And our last surprise for today is Kid Robot Adventure Time mini-series. Let's cut it open, take it out, and we have Gunter, the penguin. Hey Gunter, what an awesome name. He looks super cool. Yeah, penguins are always cool. Look at him move. He's dancing. Bye my friends, keep being awesome, and you guys keep being awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to more giant surprising eggs. Bye!